Hello everyone, welcome back to Thoovi. Today we're unboxing and swatching one of the most loved beginner-friendly essentials, the Thoovi Classic Watercolours 24 colors half pan set. This set is thoughtfully designed for beginners, students and everyday artists who want reliable, vibrant colors without any fuss. As we open the case, you'll notice a clean, compact and travel-friendly plastic box with neatly arranged half pans and built-in palette space, just perfect for mixing on the go. You also get a refillable water brush pen, making this set ideal for quick sketches, outdoor painting or classroom usage. Before we started swatching, you must have seen how the paints got activated. Just a few drops of water and you must have noticed how quickly these half pans woke up. The colors soften smoothly, forming a creamy consistency that's easy to control even for first-time watercolor users. This fast rewetting means less effort, less waiting, and more time enjoying the painting process. This palette offers a balanced mix of primaries, secondaries, earthy tones, blues, greens, and essential darks, giving you everything you need to mix, layer, and explore. You'll notice that these colors apply smoothly without feeling chalky. Even lighter shades show up clearly, while darker tones remain rich without overpowering the paper. This is a perfect set for school projects, sketchbooks, illustrations, journaling, and everyday practice. Each color has been curated to work well individually and together as a harmonious palette. As we continue swatching, pay attention to the paint consistency. These watercolors offer a balanced pigment load, not too heavy, not too weak. This makes them very forgiving, especially for beginners learning water control. The pigments spread evenly on paper, allowing for clean strokes and controlled washes without patchiness. You can easily go from a light wash to a deeper tone just by adding and adjusting water. No harsh edges, no muddy results. Exploring gradients and transparency, diluting the colors creates soft, luminous washes, allowing the paper texture to shine through beautifully. As we build layers, the colors deepen gradually, maintaining clarity instead of turning dull. The transparency makes this set ideal for layering, light florals, skies, background washes, and simple glazing techniques. You'll find it easy to achieve smooth transitions from light to dark with minimal effort. On wet paper, the pigments show gentle dispersion. They bloom naturally, making them great for loose backgrounds and expressive effects. Some colors lift easily, giving flexibility for corrections, while others settle slightly. This variation in staining gives artists better control and encourages experimentation without frustration. So this 24 color set is a perfect starting point for anyone stepping into the world of watercolors.